Hello everyone, welcome to another watercolor background with me, Tracy Ann, on CrushonCovers. So let's get right into it. Today's scripture is taken from Mark 11:24. Therefore I say unto you, what things soever ye desire, and ye pray, believe that ye receive them, and ye shall have them. That is Mark 11:24. Alright, so let's get right into our technique. Today we're going to do a lovely tie-dye kind of a red. And we're going to use the wet on dry technique, meaning the wet paint on the dry paper. That's what wet on dry means. So I'm going ahead and just making a random design. And I just go ahead and just no preconceived or pre-planned texture. What I'm trying to do is allow the red to pop and shine through. So I'm not soaking my paper, but I'm making it wet enough so when it dries, it becomes a nice textured wet. There you go. I have it all dried, and then I'm adding a mixture of that same red with some blue to give it a nice purple shade. And what I'm trying to do here is to fill in the white area so that the doesn't look just blah, like, so it's gonna look like the purple is the background, and then the red will be like on top of the purple, because I'm making the purple a big lighter shade. However, it is not going to be a soaking method where you soak the paper completely through. It's just a filler. I do want the red to still pop, so I'm adding a little bit more intense red to make the background look really, really good when it dries. So you want to keep in mind when the paper is dried, it becomes lighter. So the colors are not that intense as when they are wet. So I have gone ahead and reapply some red, make it thicker in terms of intensity, and then I've added purple. After adding the purple wash with the red, I've gone ahead and then add straight up purple to wet areas, so we can have like a 3D kind of a look. So it's like jumping off the page, the purple, and then that will give it the effect. Right, there you go. See, it dries a bit paler, but then it will look good. So don't forget to check out my store. I do have prints, and I've made stickers, prints, and so forth. Right, thank you so much for joining.